Hi, this is Phil again, talking to you about your PlanPlus online account. And here we're looking at a calendar. Now that's not so interesting until I point out the fact that this could be your calendar, your external calendar that you can publish with a link inside of an email that you send out, or you can also publish this link at a website. That's even more interesting. Now the calendar displays your information. Now you can choose to display the actual information or just a blank shell of the time that's already booked out. And also the interesting thing is you can allow people to request an appointment. So here they give their name and address and a time regarding and so forth. Now that'll go back to you as a request for appointment. Then you can confirm that back with them if there's some time juggling and coordination in that regard. But a very nice way to set up an external calendar that you might want to publish for your customers and clients. So let me show you where you set that up. Inside your PlanPlus online account, look up here in the Preferences area. I click there, and if I look for External Profile, this is where I see that. Now here I can go ahead and fill in all the information. Now this one's fairly blank, but just by way of example, you can configure your email signature up here. So if I click here and then click the Configure, I have a choice of different kinds of email signatures that I can choose. Go ahead and pick one of these. Go down here and just say update that. Now I have some choices in there about the fields that are filled in, and then it goes ahead and fills in the information right here. Down here, of course, about the company, you can choose to have more information here, about yourself, more information. And here's the key thing about the calendar itself. You do want to show the appointment time, not the appointment name. So typically, no, you don't want to have the name. You just want to block out the boxed time in the calendar. Allow visitors to request an appointment. Well, that's up to you, but that's obviously a very handy tool that you can use. So however you want to set this up. And then another nice feature up here is to have a map name. So you can click to review the calendar before it's actually published to see that it's agreeable to you. Now here, this is all in gray. Now you may want to adjust that, but you're going to have to adjust the HTML code that's back over in the other page to do that. But you can use colors here as well. I'm looking at the calendar now, and you see this is all the boxed out information in terms of the times, but I don't offer any information about any of these appointments, so that's a choice that you may elect to exercise as well. But it's a nice way for you to go ahead and see exactly what you will be presenting. Now as far as the link, look at this up here. Here's the actual link that goes to that external calendar. Now you can control what that link is by giving it a map name. I won't do this right here. I'll leave that as an exercise for you. But if you give it a map name and it is a unique name, then that will be used to sort of personalize the link as you use that in either a web page or in your email. So a very nice feature inside of your PlanPlus online account.